What made you decide to put in a paver driveway?
Well, we had to replace our old concrete driveway, which was lifted up by roots of trees. We've since taken down those trees, but it was all cracked up. It had wood dividers in between sections. They were starting to splinter. It was just an ugly, ugly situation.
And are you glad you decided that?
We're glad we decided to replace it. I'm glad we decided to replace it with pavers. It's not cheap, but it's worth every penny you pay for it. And I imagine you'll get some of that back when you do go to sell the house.
How long have you had the driveway in?
This driveway has been in about 2 months now.
And you just had it sealed?
Yes, yes. And that's something I'd recommend. It really brings out the colors in the driveway, and it's well worth the expense. Another thing that's worth the expense, because you can enjoy the driveway even when it's not raining out. It shows out off its colors.
Would you recommend American Paving Design?
I would. There's others pavers around, and maybe you could get it for a little bit cheaper, but they're very reliable. All the workers that I've met are excellent. They return phone calls. They do things that aren't in the contract to help you out, such as giving you extra sand to fill in patches in the grass and stuff like that. So they're good to work with.
And how do you feel when you drive up now?
Well, first of all, I never missed a house because it's always got the best driveway, and it's good. At first I thought I'd regret spending the amount of money we spent, but now that it's done, my wife was right. It's worth it.